Now, let me just show you how it looks like. So this is it. Can you see it? So as you can see, this is Firefox. Yeah. So I'll just open it now. Then I go to the menu and I will click on this that is called add-on. This. Then I'll just tap on add-on. So as you can see, these the tools that you need for this. For those of you who want to do like Amazon or what's it called, Google AdMouse clicking or startup clicking, this is a great tool for you. So if you're watching this video, this is a great opportunity for you. So just try and watch this video to the end, okay? So we are making use. We are going to download this. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, but because of you, I'm going to delete it. This is a chameleon. This is fun. We have what's it called, uBlock origin, and then random user agent. As you can see, these three, one, two, these three, what's it called? These three, one, two, and three is those three tools are the most powerful tools that we needed inside this Firefox. Okay, so right now I'm going to delete it so that I want to install it because of you guys. I'm going to uninstall everything, then I will uninstall it back. I will install it back for the sake of those who don't know how to do. So right now, once you are on add-on, this is how it is. It will show. Okay, so what you are going to click next is browser Firefox. This you are going to press this, click on it to take you to a page of add-on. So if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you comment if there's anything you really want me to make video for. So kindly comment, and then I will surely make sure I make some video for you. Okay, so right now we are on the group now. So I'm just going to search on this search bar. So this search bar coming, this search bar, I'm going to make use of it. Then I just need to type in what we want. Okay, so the first thing to type in is random user agent. Okay, so I'm going to type in random user agent. Okay, so it brings a lot of agents for me, but the one I'm going to use is the one here, this one with green icon, so as you can see. So I'm just going to click on this download here, download file here. Then I'll just click download. Then you can see I'll just click on allow, and it's downloading. Okay, so once it is done, then it will give me as you can see, say I should add, so I will add. Okay, so right now it has add. So as you can see, you see before it's just add, but now it shows remove. So it's because it has added. So I can only remove it now. Okay, but we are here to use it for something special, something different, something good. Okay, so the next one I'm going to search for is uBlock origin. uBlock origin. uBlock origin. Okay, now we just search for it. Let's see, it's loading. It's loading. Good. So this is the uBlock origin I'm going for. As you can see, this one I'm going to go for it. Then I just click on it. Okay. So we are already there. So all I just need to, as you can see, all I just need is to add to Firefox. Okay, I'll just click on this. I'll just click on add to Firefox. Okay, I'll just click on it. I'll just click on add to Firefox. Okay, so it's loading. Yeah. So what next now is to click on add. So I'm going to add this and surely add to this. As you can see, installation complete. So right now, the third thing I'm going to search here is it's called chameleon. Okay, it's going to search chameleon. Now let's use right load. So I'm going to talk about. Yeah, as you can see, this chameleon, the one I'm going to use is this on the top, the one with green icon of chameleon. That is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. So right now I'm going to click on this download here. I'm just going to tap on it, then I download the file, and I wait while it loads. So as you can see, I just click on allow. So the next thing that is going to pop up is add. So I'm going to add. Just tap on chameleon here. You can see chameleon. So I just tap on it. Just wait while it loads. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and then make sure you comment down below. So yeah, we are there. So the next thing we are going to do is to come to this side. Then I will just click on this icon, this icon, this icon. So just click on this. So yeah, we are going to put it here. So just select random. So yeah, all you are just going to do is that you see change periodically. So just click on every minute, or just click on every minute. Okay, so right now it is, we are good to go. So that is the only settings we need here. So what this really does is that so, and you just come to this place, you can see where I can just enable do not track. Okay, track either. All right, I don't think this is necessary. I don't think this is necessary, but however, let's just, okay, okay, let's just prevent it tag tracking. Just prevent, just click on it. Okay, so we are done with the settings. Okay, we are done with the settings, so we just go back. So right now, as you can see on this menu board, you can see on this menu board, this menu, you can see we have random user agent, we have uBlock Origin, we have Chameleon. That is the three tools that we are using. We have installed inside what's it called, Firefox. Okay, so let me start with a random user agent. Okay, yeah. So let's just click on open settings. Yeah, as you can see, you see every 10 minutes this thing changes. So this specific user now, just select all. Okay, here you just select all. As you can see, just select all. So I've selected, you just select use specified user agent. Okay, just select it like this. So the settings, then for here, let's just select let's just let's just trying to select, let's just select like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is okay. Okay, like every 5 minutes this thing is going to be changing. So let me just tell you the useful of this thing is because it's whenever you are browsing, like assuming you are you are browsing, you are using your Android phone, maybe you are using like Hot 10 or Phoenix Hot 10 or Techno Camo 15 or Camo 16. So you are using, you are using browser, yeah. But on their system, any site you go while using this Firefox that you have set like this, any Firefox you are using, any browser, any site you are going while using this Firefox is going to be appearing on their site. So so as you can see, like I said earlier, it's going to be showing on their system. It's going to be showing on their system like Internet Explorer 6 or Chrome on Windows. Going to be showing, you are browsing with Android, it's going to be showing different device on their system. Okay, you are browsing like maybe you are using Android Camo 16. It's going to be showing there like a system like Chrome on Windows 10 or Chrome on desktop. So it's just going to be showing different devices, different phone, different iPhone, on all that different. It's going to be showing that you are using Android. It's going to be showing Mac, like assuming you are using Mac there. So it's going to be showing iPad there, and why you are using Android phone. That's the beauty of these beautiful tools. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go back and just tap menu, and you can see uBlock Origin. So the what this uBlock origin does is that whenever you want to go to the site, like maybe when you are browsing and you are doing some things like maybe like this Amazon not picking or Google not picking, there's some main site that Google go and the security there is very tight. They can easily detect you. So this uBlock origin is going to what's it called? Is going to defend you for not going there. Okay, for not going there, so that you won't be caught. Okay, you won't be caught by Google. Okay, so that is why that is the work of this uBlock origin. Okay, so the last one I'm going to explain, I've already made the settings for you guys. So this chameleon, this chameleon. So on this chameleon is working together with random user agent. Okay, so it does the same thing that random user agent does. Okay, so it changes the browsers too. So it's working hands with random user agent. It makes the what's it called? It makes the security so very tight that anywhere you are going, whatever you are doing is going to secure it, and you won't have problem using Firefox. So that is the beauty of this. So that is the beauty of it. So that's all for today. So if you are watching my YouTube video for the very first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment, give it a thumbs up, share this video out to your friends and family, and help others too. So thank you very much. I remain your boy. Bye.